Hi friends, welcome to today's video. Today I've got a really quick and easy piano tutorial for you. It's gonna be Ghost Town by Benson Boone, so I hope you enjoy this one. Let's dive in right away. So this song really only has two sections that you have to learn. The first is the verse part, and then the next is gonna be the chorus. But first, let's look at what key the song is in, which is gonna be C major, meaning we're gonna be using all white keys, all right? Keep it nice and simple. So let's start with that verse now. So this verse is gonna have 4 chords, okay? So we're gonna start here on our F major chord. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be playing F in the left hand and then C, F, and A in the right hand, okay? So you see I'm playing 3 notes in the right hand and then 1 in the left hand. That's gonna be how I'm gonna be playing all these 4 chords here, okay? So that's our first chord, F major. Now, I'm gonna be going up, move every key up by 1, and then we get to our G major chord. So this is gonna be G, D, G, and B. Okay, that's G major chord, and next we're gonna go down, keeping the exact same shape, and we're gonna play E, B, E, and G, which is our E minor chord, okay? And now we're gonna move everything up to here to A minor, so A, E, A, and C, but again, it's the exact same shape, okay? So that's our A minor chord. All right, so reviewing those chords now, we have F major, G major, E minor, and A minor, all right? So now let's look at the rhythm that we are going to play here. So this song is in a 6/8 time signature, meaning that we're gonna be playing 6/8 notes in every measure, okay? So we'll start here with the bottom note and we're just gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going up and then down using those exact notes, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're just gonna play that exact pattern for all 4 chords, okay? We go through each one twice. Okay, but you see, it's just the exact same chords that I taught you before, but just broken up now. So that's probably not too hard, but the trickiest part here might just be speeding it up to play it at the actual speed, which is something closer to this. So my best advice for you, if that is a little fast for you, I'd say start slowly and then slowly build up speed. If you use a metronome, that helps a lot, and you just slowly build up your speed as you practice until you're able to play it comfortably and play it correctly, okay? So that's the verse. Now let's move on to the chorus. Now the chorus is very similar, but the first change here is that I'm gonna be playing octaves here in the left hand. So you see, I'm adding this bottom F as well to our F chord. So this is gonna be our first chord, F again, just like before. Next up, we're gonna go to our G major chord, same as before, but with the bottom G, okay? And now here things are gonna change here in the chorus, and we're gonna go to a C major chord actually. So C's in the bass, and then C, E, G, okay? And now we're gonna go back to our A minor chord, just like before, but with the bottom A, and then we're gonna walk down, everything down 1 to the G major chord again, just like before, and that'll take us back to the start. All right, so reviewing those chords, we have F major, G major, C major, and then we go A minor and G. And then we repeat, okay? So the rhythm that we're gonna play here is gonna be exactly the same that we used in the verse. So you see we're just gonna be playing that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like I taught you before. But the only difference, since we have that bottom note, is that I'm only gonna be repeating this top note when I come down. You'll see like this. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I play this top note here. Okay, then for the G chord. C. And now on the A minor and the G, these last 2 chords, we're gonna play them each for only 1 measure, okay? So it sounds like this. And then we repeat back. Okay? And then playing that up at full speed sounds something like this. All right, now I'm going to show you it all put together, but before that, just want to thank you for watching this video, and if you did enjoy it and get some value out of it, be sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button down below, and let me know down in the comments what other songs you want to hear. All right, this is what it sounds like put together. All right, there you go. That's it. Have a nice day.